Welcome to 27376 Deep Creek Boulevard. This is a beautiful ranch-style home located in Punta Gorda. Where's Punta Gorda? Punta Gorda is located in the west coast of Florida and the mid part. It's a beautiful city surrounded by the shallow harbor, which is an absolutely beautiful river that has a combination of sweet water and salt water. So if you want to come and live in Punta Gorda, this is the perfect place. So if you love to fish or golf, it's the most fabulous space that you can imagine. Golfing here in town is very inexpensive to play tee, and fishermen's is a paradise because you go fishing in the shallow harbor and you can catch anything that you want in there with that absolutely fresh water. So let's come up and check out this house. This is under $500,000. Let's check it out. As we walk in, we're encountering here a beautiful open floor plan. As you can see, you have a wonderful living room, a beautiful kitchen with an island, all stainless steel appliances, and all the cabinets are wood. This beautiful home is only 2 years old, absolutely magnificent. It features 3 bedrooms plus 2.5 baths. And the most fabulous thing about this home, let me show you. As we walk outside, we encounter the lanai. And you have a wonderful privacy here. As you can see, no neighbors behind you. And you have a beautiful oversized pool. This is a custom-sized pool because most of the pools that you build right now, they're probably about the half size of this. Salt water. The home also comes with solar panels, so your electrical bill is probably around $50 a month. So this is a fabulous home. If you're interested, DM me, call me. Look forward to working with you.